Hi there, it's me again. I'm going to record this one horizontally so that maybe I have more space for my board. But I'm hoping that when you watch it, you're not going to have to go like this. We'll see. We'll give it a try. All right, we're all learning here. Okay, so I want to read this problem. The ones that you struggled with the most on the homework from those of you that turned in homework and did daily points seem to be the ones with the algebraic expressions. And so I want to make sure you understand how to do these, so I'm going to do one more. And we're going to go ahead and have a quiz on section 1, 2, and 3 on Tuesday. So let me give you a little pep talk here. I hope you're doing your homework. I hope you're doing your daily points. I hope you're doing all your assignments. Some of you are being very diligent. I hope that you're checking the answers. Please don't make your parents go behind you to do this. You all know how to do this. We do it in class all the time. So, when I give you the homework, we go over the homework. You check whether they're right or wrong. Unlike in class, where I can show 5 different kids at the same time how to do a problem, I'm not able to do that. So I really need to do your part so that this will be as effective for you and I will be able to fit all this in, okay? So I really want to help you, but you've got to do your part. So after you do your homework, what I need you to do is go check it. I'm leaving you the answers. So I need you to check them. And then once you check them, I need you to see if you can fix them on your own. Oh, I know what I did wrong. 2 plus 3 is not 4. See if you can fix your own mistakes. If you can't, put an X by it. All right? Put the right answer there, but put an X by it. Don't pretend like it's right when it's wrong, and that way I know which ones we need to go over. If you don't do that, you're not helping you. All right? Because I can give you any grade I want to based on your performance. You need to help yourself. Okay? So I'm not going to be just giving free grades away. You need to do your part. So I promise you, I will not be giving you grades that you have not earned. So just because we're doing online learning does not mean you're on vacation. You are not on vacation. We are still working here. So please do your part. I know that you all can do this, okay? Some of you are doing really good, and I'm very, very pleased. But some of you are not taking it very seriously, and that concerns me, okay? But I still love you. All right, so here we go. We're going to try one like yesterday. It says, Jake has a bag of red. Can you hear my bird? Is he the cutest? All right, let's go back. So, Jake has a bag of red, green, yellow, and blue marbles. Do you feel like you're in the jungle? Yes, I live like this in a jungle-like environment most of the time. All right, back again. So it says if he has R red marbles, 7 green marbles, for yellow, he had 10 less than his reds. And for the blues, he has 3 more than twice as many reds. And I want you to write an algebraic expression for all of these colors. So we're going to do this together. Okay? It says Jack has a bag of red, green, yellow, and blue marbles if he has R reds. So right there, that tells me that for reds, he's got R of those. I don't know how many. R. And then it says it says he has 7 green. Huh. We know how many green he has. That's cool. Green, he has 7 marbles. Easy. All right, what does it say about the yellow? It says for yellow, I'm going to go ahead and write yellow. It says for yellow, he had 10 less than the reds. So let's see how many we had red. Our red. And for yellow, he had 10 less than the reds. So go ahead in your mind and think about what you would put for that if it was 10 less than that amount right there. Did you get R minus 10? If you did, give yourself a pat on your back because I'm very proud of you because this is very important. And 10 minus R would not work. It would be wrong, 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 okay? So if you got it wrong, scratch it out real big, put a star by it, and put the right answer, okay? All right, and next we have what, blues? For blues, it said he has 3 more than twice as many reds. For blue, he has 3 more than twice as many reds. 3 more than twice as many reds. And 3 more than means to add 10. So we're adding 10 to 3 times as many reds. So hopefully you're putting 3R plus 10. Now, if you put 10 plus 3R, that'll work with addition. Subtract it would not. So I would recommend that you always do it the way it really was meant to be done, okay? But I wouldn't mark it wrong if you put 10 plus 3R here. But I would mark it wrong if you changed your order on this one and put 10 minus R, okay? It would not be right. All right, so we have done what it said. It said write an algebraic expression for all the colors of the beads. This is the algebraic expressions for all those colors. What if I asked you to total them up? Or what is the sum of all the beads that Jack has? On the homework, you all added up all of, like you left out the first one. That one's always going to be a part of your total, okay? So we had red, green, yellow, and blue. We have to add all those up. So I have an R. I have a 7 for the greens. I have an R minus 10 for the yellows. And I have a 3R plus 10 for the blues. So let's look at all these R's. We have an R there. We have an R there. Oops. We have an R there. We have an R there. And we have 3R there. So what's R plus another R plus 3 more R's? I hope you're thinking 5 R's. And what I'm seeing here is a 10 and a minus 10 and a plus 10. What happens to a minus 10 and a plus 10? That's right, they cancel out. So they're going to be gone. There wouldn't be any other way for you to do this one than to do it that way. And we're going to bring that add 7 down. 5R plus 7. Okay, is that cool? Very good. I hope that makes you feel... Oh, well, let's try another one, actually. I'm going to erase this. Because I could have asked something different. I could have said, instead of what's the total of all those, I could have said, what is the total of the blue and green beads? How many blue and green beads does he have? I could say blue plus green. So instead of saying total them all up, if I specified, then you're going to go grab only what they specified. In this case, the blues are 3R plus 10. The greens were 7. So then I have to add my like terms, the 3R and the 17. So 10 plus 7 is 17. Do not combine those. You cannot put the 3R and the 17 together because the 17 doesn't have any R's, okay? So you got to keep those separate. All right, so I just want to, and then what if I told you that Jake had 2 reds? If I told you Jack had 2 reds and I wanted to know how many blue and green beads he had, you could use this little formula to find out. Because 3 R's would be 3 2's. That would be 6, right? And 6 plus 17 would be 23. So knowing these facts, you could do all kinds of things with the numbers, okay? So I just wanted to make sure you knew that. And so I want you to make sure you do your daily points for today. That's going to be very important. If you haven't already done it, that's the only way I know how you're doing. So do your daily points that I assigned today, please. Don't wait till Monday. That was just like in class. We do it the day of. The homework that I'm getting ready to put up there, you can wait and do that over the weekend if you want to. The sooner the better. That way, if you have questions, I'll be able to answer them first thing when I do my lessons on Monday. But we will be having a quiz on Tuesday. So anyways, I hope you have a great weekend. Hopefully you don't have a lot of homework. Only me. I'm probably the one that always gives the homework. I'm sorry. Math is like that. But I do miss you. I hope you're doing good. Bye.